Welcome to our channel. This is the ITSP board. So, last session, I have shown you how to install RHEL in your workstation, and as well as I have shown you how to provide the configuration update related thing. So in this video, it's short video like 5 to 6 minutes, I will complete. Just I want to connect mobXstream uh, with your RHEL installed in but where it is stored inside the virtual box, like workstation, right? So now let's start our today's discussion. So it's good. So this is our repository and workstation. I need to start. Workstation is start. Right now, just click on this. Right click and power. Start. Right. Start the power. You should start the power now. You should. Just what are the steps? I will show you. What are the steps? Just find one IP address for your local, for your this machine, then provide the IP address and username and provide a password. It's easy, totally easy. Just follow the steps. Nothing more than nothing is hard. Hard is like installing something in server. Okay. But right now onward, today onwards, we are just using only Red Hat, like Red Hat Enterprise for your daily practice, Linux practice, and Linux learn. I will use this. So it's login. It's starting. Wait some time. Yeah. Now it's coming. Now it's good. Now I want to connect. So open my MOBA. Open a MOBA. But I don't want to these things. I should delete. So not these things is not required. Let's delete it. And session here you just what is that? Open terminal activities, or like you can just search here. Sorry, search here. Terminal. Terminal is open. Now you can just IP hyphen A. Let's see. So now this is our IP, guys. This is our IP. So I need to put this IP and connect it. So just copy this IP, go over MOBA, SSH, paste it. Username is Vivek. Okay. Not required. Just to click on OK. Let's see. Accept and provide the password. Vivek 1234. Just no, I don't want to say. Now it's connected. PWD existed, and I need to sudo hyphen I. It's Vivek 1234. Now, right now in the root user localhost we are connected. So right now is not required. Just you can what is that? Just click on like power running on background. Just close. Okay. Removable device. This following device can be converted to the virtual machine. Status of using quantum association. Okay. Not required. Let's see. It's connected. Right now it's connected. So whatever you want, you can perform. Not required. PWD. So this is the short video how to connect. Today this session onwards, I will use for the Linux purpose this operating system. Okay, it is installed in my Windows 11 operating system. So thank you. We will meet in the next session. Okay, related some more advanced command about the Linux. That's why I'm not using any more like AWS. Why? Because it's paid. It's taking too much time. Like if you taking a extra like T2 3, T2 medium, T2 large kind of. instance, so I should pay more money. So I don't want to pay. I have a resources, so we can use it. Huh? It is 60 day. It is free. I'm using that at least 60 days. After the 60 days, let's see what happens. Okay, I will install Ubuntu. Ubuntu is totally free, not like is available, not subscription kind of thing is available. So that's all, guys. And next session, it's based on the Linux, some commands, how we can perform some commands on the Linux. So let's do that. Okay. So thanks for watching this.